can you tell me a little bit about the car?
Well, yeah, it's a 1964 Ford Falcon. It's got a 351 Windsor in it with an automatic transmission. All brand new front suspension for the Gasser. Basically, this is like a 60s drag race car, would have been from back in the day. We do the local Cars for Cancer show right here in Muskegon. We are giving this car away on Labor Day. It's our 20th anniversary for the Cars for Cancer show. Dearborn Classic, the Different Strokes Car Club built this together just as a raffle car. We are giving it away on Labor Day. You can go to carsforcancer.com and then you can get on there, or on the Facebook site, and you can look it up. Show you a little bit.
What would you say your favorite part about the car is? Because you built it, right?
I helped.
Okay.
I love the stance. I love everything about it.
Right.
We've actually got to drive it a little bit more, and it's been a lot of fun to drive. Come right over here. We can look inside. Johnson Family Cancer Center. We've donated over 400,000. I mean, it's actually it's a race car, but it is actually a lot of fun. It's very streetable.
You said it's automatic?
Yes, it is. It's an automatic. It's got a full tank, gas tank in it.
Is it a TH400?
No, it's actually got a C4 automatic transmission behind it.
Okay.
It's a lot of fun to drive. It's a lot of fun.
How much power are you thinking it's making?
Probably about 400 horsepower.
How much torque?
That I don't know. You know, we have never taken it down the strip. The car was built to raffle, so we've been, careful with it.
I would imagine it makes a lot of torque at 400 horsepower.
Yeah, I would think so.
A lot of guys now try to make it sound like 400 is not a lot, but that just tells me they haven't driven something like this.
That tells me that you know a little bit about horsepower, because a lot of people don't realize that. That 400 horsepower is. It's actually, we've had several different sponsors come on board to help us. Steve's Auto Restoration, Exhaust Specialties.
Exhaust Specialties actually did the exhaust on my M3.
Did they?
They're great. I love them.
Yep, out on Apple Avenue. Jason's actually a member of the Different Strokes Car Club.
Okay.
If you look back here, you can see where special thanks goes to the car clubs. These are the two car clubs that built the car from scratch.
Okay.
Like I said, it was just a rolling shell when the car was donated. Star Customs out in Kent City. Yep.
Electrical.
Actually, I should shut that off.
Right.
Star Customs actually did the paint job, donated that also.
Okay, they donated the paint?
Yes.
Oh, wow. The paint on this is amazing.
Dearborn Legends actually did all of the motor and transmission and donated that to us.
Okay.
And they helped us build the car. So it was a lot of community support actually that came together.
Right.
So we're very excited, very excited.
Well, thanks for showing me your car, and you said it's right here at Cars for Cancer.
Yep.
And anybody can bid on this, right? Not just if you live in Muskegon.
We'll be given, we've sold tickets. We were up in St. Ignace a few weeks ago. We sold tickets to people in Canada, Wisconsin. Who knows? That's what one of the guys last night said. Well, I can put that on the ferry and I'm home.
Right.
That's a good way to go.